Why do pilots fly perfectly good planes into terrain? Imagine flying thousands of feet above the ground in a plane that is perfectly fine, yet suddenly crashing into the earth. It sounds impossible, but it happens more often than you might think. These accidents are called controlled flight into terrain or CFIT. They occur when pilots, even with fully functioning aircraft, unknowingly fly into mountains, hills, or other obstacles. It's a tragic mix of human error, environmental factors, and sometimes miscommunication. Many times, pilots lose awareness of their exact position relative to the terrain. They might misjudge how high they are or become distracted by other tasks. Fatigue or stress can cloud their judgment, especially during long flights or complex situations. In poor weather conditions like fog or storms, visibility drops, making it harder to see the terrain ahead. If navigational instruments malfunction or give inaccurate readings, pilots might think they are somewhere they are not. Pre-flight planning also plays a big role. If pilots do not thoroughly study the route, terrain, and weather, they might find themselves in dangerous situations they are unprepared for. External factors like sudden storms or turbulence can push pilots off course or make them relying heavily on instruments. When these instruments fail or give wrong data, pilots can become disoriented. Communication issues with air traffic control can add to the problem. Misunderstandings or unclear instructions might lead pilots to fly into restricted or hazardous areas. Even small errors in maintaining speed, altitude, or heading can bring an aircraft dangerously close to terrain. From a mechanical point of view, these accidents show that even when the aircraft itself is in perfect condition, human factors are often the cause. Cockpit systems are designed to help pilots stay aware of their environment, but they are not foolproof. Sometimes, pilots miss or ignore warnings due to workload or distraction. To reduce these risks, aviation has introduced tools like terrain awareness and warning systems. These alert pilots if they are getting too close to the ground. Better training focuses on decision-making in stressful situations and understanding terrain. Pre-flight checks now include detailed terrain and weather assessments. Clear communication protocols between pilots and air traffic controllers help prevent misunderstandings. Addressing human limitations is key. Pilots are trained to recognize their own fatigue and workload, and airlines monitor crew schedules to prevent exhaustion. These efforts aim to keep pilots alert and aware, especially in challenging environments. In the end, most CFIT accidents happen not because of faulty aircraft, but because of human errors, environmental challenges, and communication breakdowns. Improving cockpit technology, training, and procedures helps keep flights safe and prevents perfectly good planes from ending up where they shouldn't.